Hello guys. I didn't know how to shape this piece of sheet metal. I'm complete beginner, so sometimes I mess things up before I get it right. I tried different approaches. The best one was to shape each piece individually and then weld them together. Now I just need to sand it down and that's it. But first we will have a coffee. It's hot, but it's good. So let's go. It's time for painting.
Nobody sees me like you do. You just make me smile. I wanna hold you all the time. 'Cause all I do is love you. I can't get enough of you. Swear that I would follow anywhere you go. 'Cause I can't be without you. Baby, I would fight for you. And if my eyes are closed, I see you. 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 I see
I tried to make a bracket that's underneath the fender. This part was in really bad shape, completely rusted. I had to do a lot of cutting, grinding and welding. I actually made something in the end. Now I'm going to fix the other support bracket. You can follow the process if you're interested.